In this video, we will show you how to fix a Ring doorbell not connecting to Wi-Fi. If you guys want to get started with the Ring app, you can use the links down in the description. First, open the Ring app, tap the menu E, select your device, and check the signal strength under the device health dial. If it's red, the signal is weak. Then, place your router in a central, elevated location to improve signal strength. Next, avoid placing it on the floor or near thick walls. Unplug your router and Ring doorbell for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This can refresh the connection. In the Ring app, go to Device Settings, select your device, tap Device Health and choose Change Network. Follow the prompts to reconnect. Now, ensure your Ring doorbell has enough battery power or is properly wired. Check the Device Health section for battery status or power issues. If all else fails, press and hold the reset button on your Ring doorbell for 20 seconds to reset it. So that's how to fix Ring doorbell not connecting to Wi-Fi. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with the Ring app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.